Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a stock engine updated. Begin by laying out tools, parts, and a clean workspace so nothing is misplaced. I will walk you through part selection, measuring clearances, and smart assembly steps to keep the engine reliable. Expect practical tips on torque, gapping rings, and basic machining options. Stay focused and follow safety steps to avoid mistakes and save time. Start by inspecting every major component for wear and correct dimensions to avoid failures later. Use a micrometer, bore gauge, and feeler gauges to confirm tolerances and ring gaps. Replace any part that exceeds spec or shows damage instead of risking engine longevity. I'll explain which wear limits to accept and which require replacement to keep your rebuild truly stock and dependable throughout regular driving. Assembling a stock engine is methodical and rewarding when done carefully and patiently. Clean parts, use assembly lube, and follow torque charts in the recommended sequence for each component. Pay attention to ring orientation, bearing installation, and proper gasket placement to prevent leaks and premature wear. I'll share tips on hand rotating the crank, verifying end play, and a break-in approach to ensure long life and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.